Hey guys, in today's video we are going to prepare a DIY homemade hair mask for silky, shiny and glossy hair using just the products available in your kitchen. The overall cost of this hair mask is gonna be just ₹20. Before we begin, please press the red color subscribe button and the bell icon. Without any further delay, let's get started. What you all need to prepare this mask is a fully ripe banana. Banana is loaded with vitamins which is gonna repair your hair. Next comes half a cup of coconut milk. Fully saturated fatty acids in the coconut milk is gonna hydrate your hair. The last ingredient is a whole egg. The protein in the egg is gonna nourish your hair. Blend it all into a smooth paste in a blender. Now your mask is ready for application. If you are someone who can't stand the smell of egg, please add 4 to 5 drops of lemon in it. It will not only gonna help you to get rid of the foul smell of the egg, but also fights dandruff. Divide your hair into 2 sections and start applying the mask. If it is too runny or too thick, it's gonna be difficult for application. So make it in the right consistency. If it becomes too runny, add little honey to it to get the right consistency. If it becomes too thick, add some milk to it to get the right consistency. This procedure is gonna be little messy, so make sure you are applying the mask in your bathroom. Apply this mask from roots to tips of the hair and also to the scalp. Use this mask once a week for 2 to 3 months to see the magic. This is the best irrespective of curly, wavy or straight hair, as it is homemade, organic and natural. It's gonna hydrate and nourish the hair while giving a healthy bones to it. Saturate fully in the ends of the hair because that's the portion which needs lot of hydration and nourishment. Once the application is done, tie it in a bun and secure it using a head wrap. You may also use a towel dipped in warm water for this purpose. Leave it on your hair for minimum 30 minutes. If it is during summer time, you may keep it on your hair for 2 hours. Otherwise, keep it for minimum 30 minutes. Wash it off using a very mild shampoo in cold water. Do not forget to apply some conditioner in the hair to close the open pores. Rinse it off in cold water and let your hair air dry. Please do not use any heating appliances like hairdryer, straightener or curler right after this treatment to reap the maximum benefit out of it. It is ideal to use a microfiber towel to dry your hair. Otherwise, use an old cotton t-shirt to take off the excess water from your hair. That's it for this video guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the like button. Check out other videos related to beauty, fashion and travel in the link mentioned in the description box. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys.